Sales by Sales Rep Report. You can create sales reps in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. You can link that sales rep to customer transactions and you can generate sales by sales rep report. You can create sales reps from customer module, customers, list of sales reps. By clicking add sales reps, you can add sales rep to the system. You can link that sales rep to customer transactions. You can link sales rep. After that, you can generate sales by sales rep report. From report filter, you can select sales reps. You can select particular sales rep, or you can select range of sales rep. If you don't select any sales rep, system will display all sales reps sales. You can select active sales reps, inactive sales reps, or both sales reps. From sales type, you can select item sales, account sales, time sales, or all sales. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year, or you can select custom dates. If you select custom dates, you can select the date range. If you select all date range, system will display all period sales. You can view all date range. And from style, you can select summary or detailed. If you check include credit note checkbox, system will include credit notes to the report. In Sage Business Cloud accounting software, system will maintain items, average cost and last cost. In list of items, you can view average cost and last cost. When you generate the report, you can select average cost or last cost. If you check this option, use last cost option, system will calculate gross profit based on last cost. If you uncheck this option, system will calculate gross profit based on average cost. We will generate a report. We will generate all date range, summary report, including credit notes, using last cost. Click View Report. In this report, you can view each sales rep by sales. You can view date range, sales rep name, total quantity, total cost, total selling price, GP amount and GP percentage. In this report, we have generated total cost based on last cost. We'll generate report based on average cost. Now, if you generate average cost, you can see that gross profit amount and gross profit percentage, total cost different from previous report. In this report, GP percentage is 33.23. However, based on average cost, GP percentage is 41.81. and we can generate detailed report including credit notes. You can see if you generate detailed report, you can view transaction wise report. In previous report, summary report, one line for one sales rep. In detailed report, you can view transaction wise sales rep report. Here you can view credit notes, and if you generate sales by sales rep report based on average cost, you can see the difference in that GP percentage. In this report also, by clicking these document numbers, you can view the original document and you can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel and this format. You can email this report. And you can view each sales rep sales and grand total. Based on this report, using total sales or gross profit amount, you can pay commission to your sales reps.